Hi, everyone. My name is Heather Kreider, and I am a naturopathic physician and the owner and founder of LiveSpring Wellness. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about a type of tickling cough that affects you as soon as you lay down. Maybe you're fine all day long, and as soon as you pull up those covers and get ready for sleep, and there's something about going horizontal that makes you hack, there's a great homeopathic that can help. These are the specifications for something called Drosera. Drosera 6C, if you take 2 pellets every hour for about 4 to 5 hours, it can really help you to kick that horizontal hack in the butt and get it out of here. So if you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments. Subscribe to my channel and check me out at LiveSpring Wellness. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.